How are you all? In this video, I'll be showing you that how can you scan for virus or malware in your iPhone. So let me tell you, there is no direct option to scan any malware or any virus in your phone because iPhone usually is very secure phone of format and it doesn't support virus and etc. So what you can do, you just have to go on your app store and download an antivirus application in your iPhone because you really don't know and you really don't need any virus application or any inbuilt virus clearing software in your iPhone because iPhone is already the securest form of the mobile phones. It's far more secure than Android. So I don't think there is a need of any virus or malware scanner. Need but if you want to do it, you can just download a virus scanner for your iPhone like this, Casper Key Security and VPN. You can download it and scan your iPhone for malware against any virus. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you.